Welcome to training on the business portal. What is a business report? A business report is credit information on a registered business entity. This may include entities such as trusts or sole proprietors. How to request an investigative business report. Once you are on the home screen, under the business section in the middle, click on the New Check selector. You will now see a screen where more information needs to be inserted. Firstly, you will need to click the Reason for Transaction drop-down menu to select the inquiry reason. This is in essence the reason you are performing this credit check. The data field in which country will always be South Africa. Now, click on the drop-down menu next to Type of Business to select the type of business. This can either be a registered business, trust, sole proprietor, or partnership. You may use business name, or registration number, or VAT number, as your search criteria. If this is a registered business, try to use the registration number, as this is a unique number per business. The business name would be the next best option, but this could return multiple results. VAT number would be the third option, as this could possibly return multiple results, or even none, if it is not linked to a business. If you were to use the registration number as the search criteria, type in the registration number to display the options. Click on the Search button. After searching, a list of results will be populated below it. This should only display one option, as the registration number is unique to every business. If you were to use the business name as the search criteria, type in the name as accurately as possible to display the options. Click on the Search button to display options. After searching, a list of results will be populated below it. This could display one or multiple options. Select the company that you want to conduct a report on by clicking on the Use this business button. After clicking on the button, you will see the product selection page. Select the products and/or services you wish to run on the subject. Should additional information be required, you will be prompted to complete this information. Very important, please note that multiple products can be chosen simultaneously. You can add a reference for each transaction. This is only for your reference, and will appear on the report, and on your justification report. Justification report is for 30-day account billing only. You can either capture a reference, or you can ignore this section. To add a reference, click on the text, Add your own reference for your purposes, click here. There are two text boxes that you can type a reference in. Once completed, click on the Save button to save your references. Click on Remove if you do not wish to capture any references. Select a product from Category 2, Investigative Reports. You can also select products from Category 1 or 3 to be included in the report by selecting the relevant checkboxes on the right-hand side of the page. Once you have selected the relevant products, the system will give you the subtotal for your checks in the right corner under the Product section. This value excludes VAT. With all the investigative reports, the system will prompt you to complete more information such as credit limits, terms, subjects' contact details, trade references. Always click Save after every trade reference is supplied. Click on Add another trade reference, click here, link to add more trade references. Bank details. Mandatory fields will be indicated by an asterisk symbol. In the Banking Info section, if you do have banking details, fill out the details under the Banking Information section. If a bank code can be obtained, this will be done. If the bank account is with a non-participating bank code supplier, an account verification services will be done to verify the account details. If you do not have banking details, you can still book out the report. Just select the tick box next to, You don't have banking details, but wish to book out this Investigate report. Click on the Submit Transaction button to complete the transaction. Click on the Start Again button if you wish to cancel the transaction. Click on the OK button when the notification pop-up appears. Now you can click on the New Transaction button to do a new credit check. You can also click on the Go to Overview button to take you to the transaction archive, or you can click on the Go to Home button to go to the home screen. NB. On-file report will be sent immediately, but the fully investigated report will be sent once complete. Please take note that all investigated reports can take up to 72 hours, or even longer if additional information is required to complete the report.